In Saudi Arabia, a remarkable project has captured the world's attention. The Jeddah Tower, poised to become the tallest skyscraper on the planet. This ambitious endeavor surprised many when at the end of September, news broke that construction had resumed. It seemed like the project might be abandoned, but it's back on track. To appreciate the significance of this undertaking, let's delve into its backstory. The journey began a decade ago when construction first commenced. However, over time, the project faced numerous challenges leading to a temporary halt. Despite these setbacks, the vision for the Jeddah Tower remains unwavering, aiming to surpass the current record holder, the Burj Khalifa Tower in Dubai. Rising from Saudi Arabia's most liberal city, Jeddah, which is located on the west coast of the kingdom, this architectural marvel is set to rewrite records and redefine our understanding of skyscrapers. Formerly known as Kingdom Tower, this colossal structure is sponsored by Prince Al-Walid bin Talal, one of the Middle East's wealthiest individuals, and designed by none other than the Adrian Smith, also responsible for Dubai's Burj Khalifa. With a planned height exceeding 1 kilometer, it'll not only comfortably surpass China's Shanghai Tower, but also Dubai's Burj Khalifa, which currently holds the record at 828 meters. To resurrect this colossal project, various prominent companies have been approached, generating significant interest in the business world. Among the names making headlines are Skanska, a Swedish construction firm, and Samsung's Korean engineering and construction subsidiary. However, even if the work is resumed, the path to completing the Jeddah Tower remains challenging, primarily because surpassing the symbolic 1 kilometer height mark presents an unprecedented feat in the history of construction. As we examine the journey of this skyscraper between ambition and reality, we encounter a multitude of technical challenges. The foremost of these challenges is ensuring the stability of the structure. The taller a skyscraper becomes, the more it's exposed to the forces of wind and the immense stresses exerted by the weight of the building on its foundation. In response to these challenges, Adrian Smith's architectural team devised an innovative approach, a Y-shaped design reminiscent of a tripod. This configuration maximizes stability while minimizing the quantity of materials required. Furthermore, securing the tower firmly to the ground necessitates stable rock foundations, particularly crucial in Jeddah, where the soil mainly consists of friable limestone, sand, and gravel. Conducting extensive geological studies became imperative to ascertain the appropriate depth for anchoring the tower securely. This led to the implementation of an intricate and previously untested drilling technique. By comparison, the foundations of iconic structures like the Empire State Building extend to a depth of 17 meters, whereas the Burj Khalifa's foundations reach 50 meters in specific areas, making the Jeddah Tower's foundation efforts doubly profound. The initial phase of the project, initiated in June 2013, engaged a workforce of over 100 individuals, operating in shifts 24 hours a day, 6 days a week for a continuous 6-month period. This monumental effort underscores the commitment to bringing the Jeddah Tower to life. Yet, structural stability is only one piece of the puzzle. Another critical aspect is the selection of materials. Striking a balance between solidity and economic viability is crucial. In the case of the Jeddah Tower, the client insisted on the use of traditional materials such as conventional concrete due to its cost-effectiveness and the ease of application compared to high-performance concrete, which requires specialized labor. Despite this, the challenges of transporting concrete to such lofty heights looms large. The most advanced pumps in the market operate at pressures of up to 250 bars and can transport concrete up to 500 meters high, beyond which the process becomes significantly more complex. Hence, many megatall skyscrapers opt for upper sections constructed of steel, including the Jeddah Tower. This strategic decision lightens the load for the concrete and streamlines construction. The steel upper section of the tower will not be for habitation, but will serve as a colossal 350-meter-long ornamental spire housing technical facilities. The same principle applies to the world's highest observation deck, situated at 630 meters above sea level, reminiscent of iconic structures like the 30 Hudson Yards in New York and the Burj Al Arab in Dubai. The Jeddah Tower is not just about setting records, it's a symbol of Saudi Arabia's ambition and its Vision 2030 plan. It's a game changer for the entire region. This architectural marvel marks Saudi Arabia's commitment to diversify its economy and reduce dependence on oil, embracing a future filled with innovation and progress. To put the enormity of this project into perspective, it's estimated that nearly 500,000 cubic meters of concrete and almost 880,000 tons of steel will be required for its completion. This equates to the weight of 10 Eiffel Towers, underscoring the monumental scale of the construction. Moreover, the Jeddah Tower must contend with another formidable challenge: wind resistance. As the height of the tower increases, so does its susceptibility to the forces of wind. For instance, a 500-meter skyscraper must be 60 times more wind resistant than a 60-meter building. To ensure the tower's stability and the comfort of its occupants, architects and engineers have undertaken detailed computer simulations to model the impact of wind forces. These simulations revealed that in the event of strong winds, the top of the tower could sway up to 2 meters relative to its axis. Astonishingly, this is deemed acceptable for the tower's structural integrity and the well-being of its inhabitants. Beyond the technical aspects, the Jeddah Tower strives to be energy efficient. Given the scorching Saudi Arabian climate, reducing reliance on air conditioning is crucial. To achieve this, the tower was meticulously designed to regulate its temperature through natural means. Shadows were carefully planned to shield the building from the intense sun, and the exterior glass walls were engineered for superior insulation, using low emissivity glass coated with a filter that effectively blocks infrared radiation. Inside the tower, plans include a vast network of 57 elevators designed to move people swiftly and efficiently. These elevators will employ advanced carbon fiber cables, chosen for their exceptional strength and durability, enabling smooth operation even at great heights. Each elevator will be capable of carrying 26 people, equivalent to a 2-ton load, achievable due to the reduced weight of the carbon fiber cables. While constructing the Jeddah Tower represents a remarkable feat of engineering and design, it's equally significant from a financial standpoint. The Burj Khalifa, for example, required a staggering investment of over $1.5 billion, involving 22 million man-hours and a workforce that peaked at 7,500 individuals. The building's power consumption alone is equivalent to that of a city inhabited by 880,000 people, even though its maximum occupancy is 35,000. Cleaning the vast expanse of glass facades of such towering structures is also an impressive task, taking approximately 4 months to complete. These numbers paint a vivid picture of the monumental effort and resources required for skyscrapers of this magnitude. While the allure of setting new records for the tallest skyscraper continues to captivate, not all construction companies are eager to embark on such monumental projects. The financial commitment can be overwhelming. However, the race to the sky is likely to persist, with the Middle East and Asia emerging as key battlegrounds where competition fuels the development of these mega-projects. A question that's asked is, beyond its symbolic significance for Saudi Arabia, what does Jeddah Tower mean for architecture and engineering worldwide? And the answer is that it represents our relentless pursuit as humans towards reaching new heights, both literally and metaphorically. From its inception till now, every stage in constructing Jeddah Tower has been filled with challenges met head-on by human ingenuity. It stands as proof that our aspirations abound only by limits we set ourselves. And while it's still under construction as you're watching this video, each day brings us closer to seeing this symbol of ambition completed, changing not just the skyline, but also inspiring future generations. We look forward to witnessing its completion and how it will redefine our understanding of what's possible in architecture and engineering. And as we do so, we keep our eyes on the horizon, because who knows where the next record-breaking structure might rise. Join us next time as we continue exploring stories of such remarkable feats that shape our world. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating videos to come.